On this particular example, we're trying to locate the focus, but because we're not given the standard form of the equation, we're gonna do something similar to what we did with the circle. We're gonna rewrite the equation and we're gonna try to get it to standard form. So I'm gonna just leave the x squared and minus 8x on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, I'm gonna end up with minus 2y and minus 22. And because I only have one squared term, I'm gonna just complete the perfect square trinomial on this side. So that is minus 8 divided by 2 squared. So that is minus 4 squared, that is 16. So I'm gonna add 16 and 16 on the other side as well. And then I'm gonna factor this as x minus 4 squared is equal to minus 2y minus 6. And the right-hand side doesn't quite look like this equation. So we need to have only y minus k, and everything else must be multiplying that binomial. In this particular case, the minus 2 needs to be factored. And if I factor the minus 2, I have to divide both terms by minus 2. So minus 2 over minus 2, that's 1. So I'm only left with a y. And minus 6 over minus 2, that is positive 3. And on this side, I'm going to end up with x minus 4 squared. The vertex is at h comma k. So that means that h is 4 and k is minus 3. So the vertex is at 4 comma minus 3. So if this is the vertex and we want to find the focus, we are going to use this formula right here. The focus will be at h comma k plus p. So we're missing p, but as you know, this right here is 4 times p. So if we do 4 times p equals minus 2, p will be equal to minus 2 over 4, and we can simplify it as minus 1/2. That will make the focus h, in this case, this is h and this is k, 4 comma minus 3 plus, but because it is minus 1/2, we're gonna write it as minus 1/2. And this will end up as 4 comma minus 3 can be written as minus 6 over 2 minus 1/2. That will end up as 4 comma minus 7 over 2. Minus 7 over 2 is minus 3.5. So this is gonna be minus 3.5 around there. That's gonna be our focus, and the parabola will open that way. And that means that the directrix is gonna be 0.5 above. So it's kind of like a tiny parabola, but there we have our focus.